Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walkthrough of our 2017 Jaguar F-Pace V6S all-wheel drive we have new in stock. This Jaguar F-Pace is a ULEZ compliant Euro 6 diesel vehicle, and you've got a huge list of optional features and standard features on this F-Pace. I'm just going to run you through some of the features you get. To begin with, the exterior is finished in the Lumbar blue metallic paint. You've also got the optional style 5037 diamond turned alloy wheels added on from the factory. Some of your standard S model trim being displayed around the exterior here with the matte silver trim inserts, your chrome tailpipe finishers at the rear, your LED tail lights and your LED daytime running lights with the bi-xenon headlights. You've got a full leather interior. This particular F-Pace comes with the memory package with the 18-way movable sport seats. That gets you the driver's seat memory on the door cards, the 4-way lumbar support on the side of the seats and the full electric functions as well. You also get the power folding door mirrors as part of this package. This particular F-Pace has the cold climate pack, which gets you the heated steering wheel function, also heated front and rear seating. You have options for heated front seats on the centre screen and heated rear seats in the back of the cabin. You've also got heated washer jets as part of this package. Lastly, you've got the USB sockets in the rear as well as an added optional inclusion, the sliding panoramic sunroof above and the keyless entry. Also, configurable dynamics is an added option. They're available on the centre console with your drive selector, some of your climate control functions, and also your centre screen where you've got access to your infotainment features such as digital radio and your reversing camera. If you would like any more information on this 2017 Jaguar F-Pace, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire through our website.